So you just want to go back to the particle system, and we just need to make sure that we've got some settings set for it. So go to beam data, make sure beam method is set to target. Okay. Make sure maximum beam count is set to 1. Speed is set to 0. We scroll down. So go down, make sure taper method is none. That's okay for that one. Spawn. In fact, we should leave that as it is. Yeah. Let's have a look. I think nothing else there. Initial caller, target. Oh yeah, just make sure target is user set as before. Okay, and that should be set in. Obviously, any changes you do, click on save. Okay, so now we need to put the particle system inside the pawn character, and obviously we need to start to manipulate it. So if we go to the VR pawn character, and if we look at the settings, all the different components. Oops. Sorry about that. We'll just I'll just close all those down. I'll just open that back up. Just give us a second. Go back to the beam particle. And open RVR pawn. Okay, so we can see that we've got the controller mesh, which is the model of the controller. But you'll notice now that we've got the particle system, which has been attached to it. Well, that's very easy to do. We add that by selecting, if we go to beam emitter, particle. Make sure you spell particle. Yeah, particle system. You select it. Obviously, I've just created this one here, but you'll just have one there, and you can rename it, call it laser beam. Just get rid of that. And you can see now that when you select the laser beam, which is a child of the controller mesh, okay, its location has been zeroed out, and we've chosen the particle system that's going to be attached to the. If you go back to the viewport, and what's happening is the particle system is attached to the controller. Obviously, we won't see it until it's controlled by the scripting. Okay. And that's what you need to do. So once you've got the particle system attached to the controller mesh, compile and save it, and then I'm going to start to do some scripting to make that appear when we collide with certain objects.